Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group on Telegram. This is so easy to do. All you have to do is simply click your profile, simply click the three lines on the upper left hand side, then click on new group. Click on that and you want to choose the persons who you want to go ahead and add. So I'm going to add, for example, Andrew Work here. I'm going to scroll down to see if I found any of the content that I want to add. So for example, I can click this one here and click on this one here, and once you go ahead and choose whatever you want to add, you can simply go ahead and add those persons. So once you're satisfied, simply click on next. You can see that it gives the name. All you have to do is just simply go ahead and create the name as you wish to do. So I'm going to go ahead and just give this a name. So I'm going to call this, I'm going to remove the name that it currently has here. I'm just going to say my friends or something like, I'm going to call this one friends, for example, in a little stylish way, and give this one a little, art there or something like that. Maybe I'll make it a little bit better and just find a little bit nicer emoji, and yeah, just go ahead and create something like that. Then from here, guys, just simply tap on the check marks there and you can see that you created a group and all those members are there. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a group on Telegram.